Hello Doctor Who fans and welcome to another episode of Doctor Who Toy Mysteries. Now, judging by the photo at the start of the video, you may well know that I shall be doing the mystery of the 13-inch remote control Dalek Scientist. Now, just so you know, this is a custom, so this is not actually an official prototype or anything. This is a special custom made for me by some person on Facebook called Custom Daleks. But anyway, now the reason I'll be talking about this is that we've already had the 13-inch remote control drone, Supreme, in white, the Strategist blue and the yellow Eternal. But yet they've done 4, but yet they've not done the 13-inch remote control Dalek Scientist. Now it's very bizarre because it also brought out a darker bronze version of the Gold Dalek, which also is labelled as the Asylum Dalek. Now it's bizarre that they did that, and yet they missed out the one Dalek. They've done 4, missed out the 5th. Now, I have spoken to Character, and they said that there's no plans to actually release the 13-inch remote control Dalek Scientist. And I just find that very bizarre, that they decided to do 4 of the 5, and yet they did 5 of the small Lego character building Daleks, and they also did 5 of the 6-inch figures of the Paradigm Daleks as well. But yet they missed this one out, and it's very bizarre that they decided to miss this out. As you can see here by its custom, I think it would have been good if they did do all 5, but yet for some reason they did 4, which is very bizarre that it didn't do the whole Paradigm. And they did release the Drone and the Eternal and the Supreme and the Gold Asylum Dalek at similar times, so it's just weird that they had enough money to do all but one. And considering that they don't make any figures now, Character, you can easily go back and do this one. And it would have been good to have it as well because they've done all the complete sets of all of them, and I think a lot of Doctor Who fans would like this to be done. But yet they decided not to, and even Character said they weren't going to, so it's just bizarre why who thought of the idea to miss this one Dalek out. As you can see, this one is not the standard Paradigm Dalek, but and it is obviously very, very accurate, and you can see it would have been good for them to do it, but I don't know, it's just a real mystery why they decided not to do the 13-inch remote control Scientist and yet do the other 4 and a reproduction of the Gold Dalek again, as they have done 3 variants of that so far, as I have in my collection, so I think enough remote control Gold Daleks for now. But hopefully one day they might reconsider and do the Scientist. But I'll happy with this custom for now. Thank you for watching, and if you have any suggestions for another video, or why they didn't do a better reason for no plans of why they won't do this Dalek, then please comment below. Thank you very much, and goodbye.